To your ex-partner, may he rest in peace. What's the matter, Johnny? You don't like my booze?
I don't like your face.
Johnny, around here we are all friends. We do right by each other. Now you have something that belongs to us. We're willing to pay you to get it back.
Yeah, who killed Warren North?
He killed himself, Johnny. He took something that did not belong to him.
Who did it belong to? You?
Me? Now, Johnny, I'm just a spoke in the wheel.
And who's the hub? Chief Harris?
You're smart, Johnny. It's dangerous to be that smart.